on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap down today. However, post the gap down opening, the Nifty traded in a sideways manner for the first part of the trading session. We saw the selling pressure intensify only below the swing low of 7840 when it was breached in the second half of the trading session. And the Nifty ended the day with a 115 point cut in today's trading session. The market breadth was also negative with 252 advances to 1279 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ITC, NMDC, Coal India and BPCL were some of the handful number of stocks which closed with gains today. While on the flip side, the heavyweight Reliance, HDFC Limited, M&M, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, most of the stocks were on the losing side in trade today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed with a huge 115 point cut in today's trading session. It has broken the previous swing low and has closed well below that. It has faced resistance at the 40-day moving average and has faltered from that level. The daily momentum indicator is also on the sell side. So we feel that the momentum on the downside has been now intensifying, and every day coming, including today, we should see sharp falls in Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the RV charts, you can observe that the Nifty has broken. It was trading in a sideways manner post the gap down opening, but however, once that sideways consolidation was broken on the downside, we saw the selling pressure intensify and the Nifty just cracked in the second half of the trading session. On the downside, the levels of 76.54 and 76.20 are crucial supports. On the upside, 7800 and 78.50 are crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed in the negative today. Now this is a perfect textbook pattern as per the EJ2A principle, where we have a 5-wave decline and then a 3-wave pullback which has completed today with a daily negative close today. Now this completes the ABC formation, and now the Bank Nifty should see a sharp fall in the coming trading sessions. Traders are advised to go short on Bank Nifty as well. We have a short call given on Bank Nifty in today's trading session, and we expect the Bank Nifty to see a sharp fall in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports on the Bank Nifty will be placed at 15,300 and 15,000. On the upside, 15,836 and 15,625 are crucial resistances. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty are negative. We expect the current fall or the current negative bias on the Nifty to continue. Our short-term target for Nifty is placed at 76.20 on the downside. The Bank Nifty should now see some more selling pressure on the downside until yesterday or today. The Bank Nifty, until yesterday's last trading session, the Bank Nifty was closing in the positive. So we did not see some selling pressure in Bank Nifty. However, we feel that the pattern formation in Bank Nifty has completed, and now the selling pressure on the Bank Nifty and Nifty should Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty stock should intensify on the downside. That's all for the day. Thank you.